Hello guys, I thought we'd talk a bit about the update that happened on Wizard101 that people are upset about, naming me as one of them. They changed some of the spells and made them weaker in Wizard101, and I paid about 50 bucks in crowns, probably about more than 50, about 60 bucks to get up there, and I just got to Polaris, and I fought a bunch of bosses, but then when they did this, those bosses were harder for me. They weren't easier. You should have updated the bosses where the bosses had less life. At least do that for us. If you're going to make our spells not hit very hard just because of PvP and people who are members, we don't like that. I pay crowns. I don't use memberships. I don't care about tickets. I don't care about the Beast Room event. I care about if the game is playable and fun. I don't pay out that much money to realize that, hey, well, you're not going to have as much fun, and you're going to have to fight bosses. They're going to be harder. It's going to be more of a challenge. Well, why does it have to be more of a challenge? Like, the game's supposed to be fun, and you're supposed to go in with other people and have fun. When you do this, you kind of devalue most of the classes, and you ruin the storyline. I remember the storyline, reading each book from every single class. Storm, fire, myth, balance, ice, life. All of those having their stories. And if Storm is the weakest school, that doesn't match with your storyline. Your storyline is not the same then, because Storm's the most powerful. If you could remember the whole storyline of what you read in the beginning, back when Wizard started in 2011, I was here playing Wizard. They just came out with plans, and you can only have a few plans. Memberships came out later. Like, you had memberships because for plants you had to have that. You had to be a member. And then they made it free where you didn't have to be a member to plant plants and grow them and do all these things. I've been playing Wizard101 for a long time, ever since I've seen the commercial on TV. For you to do this is just irritating to us. So, change it back or make the bosses weaker. That's all I ask. I don't ask anything more than that. If you can't do that, tell me why. Please, because I would like to know. Whoever the guy who changed it, or whoever the couple of you who voted on this to be changed, I don't like you, and I think you should be fired. For all those other people who are playing Crowns, I hope you keep up and keep having fun. Probably not on Wizard, probably wouldn't put any more money into Wizard. And if you do, you just know that it's not going to be fun and easy like you wish it was before. It's going to be more complicated, and a lot of people already quitted playing Wizard101. You know why they quitted? They quitted because of all this update. And all the patching, you've been patching a lot, and it's been crashing a lot, constantly. I've been playing Pirate101 for about 3 weeks, and I haven't had one crash. Not one crash. That's what's nice about Pirate101. And I don't pay for memberships on Pirate101. I pay for crowns, because that's smart. Pay for memberships, well, maybe you're involved in all that other stuff, and you like that they change the spells on Wizard. Maybe you want to support the membership system. I don't. Pretty sure a lot of people, others, that quit and come to Pirate101 like this. Like this guy, look here. I bet you this guy just stopped playing Wizard101. Came over here. Because he's upset about it too. I'll just follow this guy behind. Hey! You got a comment? Oh, Wizard sucks? Yeah. Same for me.